Hello everyone, I am Nurlaelasari, and in this conference I would like to present my research paper entitled Promoting Indonesian Student Attitude Towards Science Through Korean STEM Education. In the era of globalization and the rapid development of science and technology, the engagement of youth in these two domains were highly required. So it is crucial for each country to promote youth interest in STEM. Rather than the responsibility of sole nation, the joint global responsibility attempt to engage youth with STEM is more important, and it will more likely produce more the desirable outcome. However, there is still lack of research regarding the impact of cross-country program on promoting youth attitude towards science. Therefore, we conduct this study to explore one such program, a global science education development program that is hosted by South Korea. As we know that Korea is a developed country with advanced science and technological development, and they actively promote youth engagement in science. For instance, by teaching STEM education that includes an art in STEM education. With the support of Korean Minister of Education, South Korean Solar conduct exchange program to deliver Korean best practice to the other country. In this study is Indonesia. On the other hand, Indonesia is a developing country in the Southeast Asia. Even though Indonesia shares a similar history with South Korea, their advancement in science is left behind. And even in the international tests such as PISA, the Indonesian student achievement often below the average. The program teach Korean STEM education to Indonesian middle school students, and beside the teacher who consists of Indonesian and Korean teachers, they give Indonesian student information about STEM careers through the poster. Here is the research question. The first one, how or to what extent the Korean STEM education promote Indonesian middle school student attitude towards science, and what are the characteristics of student change after this program? The participant is Indonesian, about 608 Indonesian middle school students, and the instrument to measure the attitude towards science was brains that consists of 30 items and consists of 5 dimensions that are attitude, behavioral belief, control, intention, and normative. And for the research question 1, the results show that the significant impact of the program is only found in the 3 dimensions: behavioral belief, control belief, and normative belief. Behavioral and normative is significantly improved, meanwhile for the control is significantly decreased. Regarding the gender, significant difference was only found in the intention and normative. Regarding the behavioral belief, by doing hands-on activities, the Indonesian student, learn how close science to their daily life. So we think that in this case, students feel that science is more than learning theories in the classroom, and they begin to think about its usefulness and relevance to their lives. Students therefore place more positive value on science, and therefore the behavioral belief is increasing after the program. Regarding the normative belief, in the collectivist culture like Indonesia, it is possible that children who are surprised by their new experience of learning science with foreign teacher, they talk about what was happening in the program lesson. So they talk about their experience in the school with their family members, and they feel that they gain more support from their families to pursue careers in science. And regarding the decreasing control belief, it might be because of the challenging activities of Korean science learning. So the student interest to learning science becoming decreased. And the gender, on the other hand, was only a significant predictor of intention and normative belief, where the middle school female student score were higher than male student score. It indicates that the girls intend to continue studying more than male, and they more likely believe that they gain more support from their family to pursue science as a career. Regarding the research question 2, we can see here that based on the clustering analysis, there are three groups of students of their change of attitude towards science. The first one is increasing trend, small change, and decreasing trend. Among these three groups, the most of students were classified into small change group, about 662%, indicating that the program did not create a significant change of their attitude towards science. And these are for the conclusion and the implication of this study. Uh, there are three. For the teacher, Indonesian teacher particularly can make a lesson plan that emphasizes the important role of science in their daily life to build the student behavioral belief. I mean, in this case, it's student daily life. And for the family member, they have to be aware that they have a central role in supporting students to engage with science, and therefore they can increase their normative belief. And the last one is for the student itself. They need to gain higher achievement in science, and they need to more experience in conquering difficult learning science to promote the student control belief. Thank you. That's all my presentation.